Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align text vertically center in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet and drag your mouse, select your text you want to center vertically. I will center this text vertically, this cells, and select format option. First I will align, center align. Now select again format option and alignment, and here you will find this middle align option and select middle, and see this all of these texts are now centered vertically, also horizontally. Also I will center this text, this three text, cell text. Here we will find this center, and here we will find this middle align option, and see this vertically align center. Also I will align this text and select here center align and select here middle. Yeah, this is. Also I will align this text vertically center. Also this text, and this is, yeah, in this you can align all of these text vertically centered. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.